Rivian is on a mission to keep the world adventurous forever. Software has been a part of our core journey from day one. We always intended to be a startup that could scale. At the start, we were going full throttle, driven by a single mission: to deliver an advanced and fully electric car. But as we sped ahead, this relentless drive led to the creation of siloed data stacks, each organization working in its own lane. We partnered with Databricks in 2021, which has been a game changer. We started with 5 users, and now we have over 5,000. Our data engineers, scientists, and analysts average nearly 5 hours per day on the Data Intelligence Platform. Unity Catalog allows all of our teams to have distinct type of controls, ensuring all of our data is not only accessible, but also governed and secure. We use these different data insights across all of Rivian to continue to innovate for our customers. For example, we use insights to send software update to cars that optimize how your car's battery charges. The time to charge is now faster, and the battery holds its charge longer. Insights also help us predict and identify damage accumulation from normal wear and tear. So instead of getting an alert light that could mean one of 10 different things, we can be very precise when telling you what your car needs. With Databricks, Rivian is continuing to be bold in all of our decisions, innovating faster, reducing costs, and ultimately delivering a better driving experience to customers, all to build the kind of future our kids and our kids' kids deserve.